Let me just break down how Facebook ad is, right? Is the campaign level, then after you have the ad set level, then after you have the ad level. This is where your video is at. This is where you want to show your video. So the campaign level, you always want to make sure that you do a conversion. You want to do conversion because we want to optimize for purchases, for buyers. So you want to make sure you optimize for purchases on your conversion. So when you optimize for purchases, Facebook is only going to show your ad to people who's more likely to buy, to purchase. So if you're not optimizing for purchases, because Facebook have different objections. You can optimize for clicks, you can do engagement, you can do video view, you can do people to come to your store in person. There's different stuff that Facebook do. But you always want to make sure you optimize for conversions. Then when you go to the ad set level, you can be able to pick purchases, right? You can be able to pick purchases, add to cart. You can be able to do all of that, but I like to do purchases because we want to show our ad to people who are only purchasing. So on the ad set level, you will see purchases. Then also on the ad set level, it's placements. You want to make sure you show your ad to people who are in the news feed, on Facebook news feed and Instagram news feed, because that's where most people are at. If you show on the right column, they're not going to get that much traffic because a lot of people are not on the right column. So you want to make sure you focus on the news feed. So news feed. So you guys want to make sure you focus on the news feed, and you also want to make sure you do one-day click. You want to do one-day click because you only want to show your ad to people who are willing to buy. Impulsive. You only want to make sure your ads are showing to people who are very impulsive. So you want to do one-day click. Then for the video, what we like to do, also the targeting. So when you're targeting people, you want to make sure you target precisely, especially when you're target the most precise audience. Because if you target the precise audience, you're more likely to get faster conversion. And based on your product, if you're selling your product, you say your product was $7, right? And what? 22?
No, $54.99.
And $54.99. So like when you're running your Facebook ads and your targeting is who will buy that product right there? Like what type of people?
Foodie,
No, not necessarily.
No.
Who's your ideal customer?
At-home chef, moms.
Moms?
Cooks.
Yeah, but that's too broad. You see, there's a lot of people who are cooks. Who would buy that? Who's interested in that?
At-home chef.
What at home? What kind of at-home chef?
Vegan.
So vegan?
That's pretty.
So that's kind of broad too. Let's get narrowed down. What's the product do for people? What does it do?
Seasons your food.
Is those seasoning?
People who would, I don't necessarily buy like lawyer seasoning.
It seasons your meat. It helps your
Okay. So with this, what I'm trying to break down to you is that let's say you're targeting vegan, right? You're targeting the vegan lovers, and if your product costs you $7, your cost per purchase has to be less than $7 for it to make sense for you to run Facebook ads. Or it has to be less than $40, or it has to be less than $54.99. Well, I see why Detrice was telling you should use a funnel to be able to make more money off of that. Yeah, you will have to use a funnel. You will have to use a funnel to be able to make more money off of that.
cheaper cost per acquisition.
Yeah, it will be cheaper because even if your cost per purchase is $7, right? And you sell this, right? And you sell, let's say Facebook charge you $7 to get one customer, right? And they go through the funnel for you, you have other upsells, like your bundle, right? In your bundle, 20% of the people who buy this would take you off on that offer. Then after, you can be able to make more profit off of you running Facebook ads. But if you just run Facebook ads to this product, your cost per purchase, unless this is a big pain for people. This has to be like something people really, or you're like, hey, get this for free, right? Unless you tell people, say, hey, get this for free, and your shipping and handling is $10, unless you're doing that. But if you're just running ads directly to this product for $7, your cost per purchase is going to be very high. It's going to be very high. You're going to need upsells. to be able to spend money on Facebook ads because this is too low.
So would you say at the very least it would be more useful to her to break even on her lowest end?
Yeah. This right here. So you won't even care about this. Like you spending $7 for your acquisition for that product, this doesn't matter. This is just for you to be able to get this sale. That's all that matters. So 20% people are going to take you off on this offer. This don't even matter. We don't even care about this. That $7 that product you're selling for $7, that's just a free product you're giving to them because you want more people to buy that bundle.
Plus, even if they didn't buy the bundle, right? You're gonna have those people when you broke even. You have now acquired that person
As a customer.
They're gonna have this and be like, hell
yeah.
They're gonna come back, and that acquisition ain't gonna cost that because they're going straight to your store. They're not looking
exactly. Because if you're breaking even, you're selling this for $7 and you get a customer to pay $7 and they don't even buy this, now you have their email address. So when they do get that product, you can be able to email them and tell them, say, hey, here's more products that you might like, since you already got that one, right? But if you want to make profit right on the front end, you have to have an upsell. You have to, because it's not going to make sense for you running Facebook ads selling this product for $7.